Shalom likulam, ve shanatova. Guys, for today's vlog, ang isi-share ko naman sa inyo ay ang conjugation ng infinitive verb to confuse. In Hebrew, livalbel. Again, pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay guys, bonatkel. Present tense confuse for masculine singular mivalbel. Ani mivalbel. Ata mivalbel. Hu mivalbel. Present tense confuse for feminine singular mivalbelet. Ani mivalbelet. At mivalbelet. Hi mivalbelet. Present tense confuse for masculine plural or mixed gender mivalbilim. Anachno mivalbilim. Atem mivalbilim. Hem mivalbilim. Present tense confuse for feminine plural mivalbelot. Anachno mivalbelot. Aten mivalbelot. Hen mivalbelot. Okay guys, pag-aralan naman natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag past tense according to the gender. For past tense, confused. Bilbalti. Bilbalta. Bilbalt. Bilbel. Bilbela. Bilbalnu. Bilbaltem. Bilbalten. Bilbelu. Bilbelu. Okay guys, let's move to the future tense. For future tense, will confuse. Ani avalbel. Ata tivalbel. At tivalbeli. Hu yivalbel. Hi tivalbel. Anachno nivalbel. Atem tivalbelu. Aten tivalbelna. Hem yivalbelu. Hen tivalbelna. Okay guys, this is the imperative or the command. Imperative confuse for masculine singular balbel. Imperative confuse for feminine singular balbeli. Imperative confuse for masculine plural balbelu. Imperative confuse for feminine plural balbelna. Okay guys, again, dito po natatapos ang vlog na ito. Paalala lang po, baka merong hindi pa nakasubscribe. Please subscribe na and don't forget to like, share, and comment. At huwag rin pong kalilimutan i-click ang icon bell nang sa ganon lagi kayong ma-notify kapag may bagong upload na videos. Again, maraming maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. See you on my next vlog. Lihit Raot!